Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is essential for effective diabetes management. To help you make the best choices, we've ranked 8 fantastic breakfast options for diabetics. Are you ready to explore these healthy and delicious choices? Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 8 is chia pudding. A simple yet nutritious breakfast option, perfect for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. To prepare this dish, chia seeds are soaked in almond milk overnight, which allows them to absorb the liquid and swell up, creating a pudding-like consistency by morning. For an extra touch of flavor, a dash of vanilla and a sprinkle of cinnamon can be added, enhancing the pudding's taste without adding excess sugar. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The fiber content helps slow down the rate at which carbohydrates are digested and absorbed in the body, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect of diabetes management. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to improve heart health, which is especially important for individuals managing diabetes, as they are at higher risk for cardiovascular issues. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that including chia seeds in the diet led to improvements in cardiovascular risk factors as well as better glucose and insulin management among type 2 diabetic subjects. This suggests that chia pudding could be particularly beneficial in a diabetic diet. This chia pudding can be tailored with various toppings such as fresh berries, nuts, or a tablespoon of nut butter, which not only add vibrant flavors and textures, but also pack in additional nutrients, making it a versatile and wholesome choice for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. At number 7 on our list, low-carb smoothies make a refreshing and nourishing choice for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. These smoothies are skillfully crafted by blending nutrient-rich ingredients such as spinach, kale, avocado, and berries with Greek yogurt, or a plant-based milk like almond or soy milk. This combination not only keeps the carbohydrate content low, but also enhances the meal's nutritional profile. Spinach and kale are powerhouses of nutrition, providing a substantial amount of vitamins and minerals, particularly iron and calcium, while being very low in carbohydrates, perfect for managing blood sugar levels. Avocado adds not only a creamy texture to the smoothie, but is also a rich source of monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy fats are beneficial for improving cholesterol levels and reducing insulin resistance, a common issue in diabetes. Berries add a natural sweetness and are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which are crucial for regulating blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of glucose. This makes berries an excellent choice for adding flavor and nutritional value without spiking blood sugar. Including Greek yogurt provides a protein boost, which is important for blood sugar management as it helps stabilize glucose levels and sustains energy throughout the morning. Plant-based milks offer a lactose-free alternative that can be enriched with calcium and other vitamins, ensuring those who are dairy sensitive can still enjoy a creamy, satisfying smoothie. These smoothies offer a fantastic way to start the day, combining simplicity with a rich nutritional profile. They're also highly customizable, allowing anyone to tweak the ingredients according to their dietary needs and flavor preferences. Landing at number 6, a bowl of cottage cheese with berries offers a superb combination of taste and nutritional benefits, making it an excellent breakfast option for diabetics. This meal pairs the creamy texture of cottage cheese with the fresh, vibrant flavor of berries, creating a balanced dish that is both satisfying and healthy. Cottage cheese is a standout ingredient for a diabetic-friendly diet due to its high protein content. Protein is key for managing blood sugar levels as it digests slower than carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy without causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Additionally, cottage cheese is relatively low in fat and can be chosen in low-fat varieties to reduce calorie intake while still providing essential nutrients, including calcium. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, complement cottage cheese beautifully by adding a hint of sweetness and a burst of flavor. More importantly, they bring a wealth of health benefits. They are high in antioxidants, which protect the body's cells from damage, and fiber, which helps to regulate digestion and slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This fiber content is particularly beneficial for blood sugar control, making berries an ideal choice for those monitoring their glucose levels. Together, cottage cheese and berries not only create a deliciously smooth and fruity combination, but also a nutritional synergy that helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. At number 5, egg muffins offer a convenient and nutritious breakfast option that is perfect for those managing diabetes. These muffins are not only packed with high-quality lean protein from the eggs, but also customizable with a variety of vegetables, making them a versatile choice for any morning. Eggs are a cornerstone of diabetic-friendly diets due to their high protein content, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels by providing a sustained source of energy and reducing the typical blood glucose spikes associated with higher carbohydrate meals. The protein in eggs also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management, a key consideration for those with diabetes. The beauty of egg muffins is in their customization. You can add a mix of your favorite vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, which not only infuse the muffins with flavor and texture, but also boost the nutritional content with additional vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for overall health and help further control blood sugar levels. Egg muffins are also incredibly portable and can be made ahead of time, making them a practical option for busy mornings. Simply prepare a batch at the beginning of the week, and you have a ready-to-eat, diabetes-friendly breakfast that can be quickly reheated for a nutritious start to the day. Sliding into number 4 on our list is whole grain avocado toast, a modern breakfast staple that combines simplicity with immense nutritional value, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. This dish pairs the hearty texture of whole grain bread with the creamy richness of avocado, creating a balanced and satisfying meal. Whole grain bread is a fantastic base for this toast due to its high fiber content and complex carbohydrates. Unlike white bread, whole grains are digested more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar and providing a steady release of energy throughout the morning. The fiber in whole grains also aids in digestive health and helps maintain fullness longer, which can curb overeating and assist in weight management. Topping this bread with smashed avocado enhances the dish with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are beneficial for heart health and have been shown to improve blood cholesterol levels, a significant consideration for diabetics who are at increased risk for cardiovascular disease. Avocados also contribute additional fiber and a host of nutrients including potassium, which helps in the regulation of blood pressure. Whole grain avocado toast is not only a delight to eat, but also incredibly versatile and quick to prepare. It can be enhanced with various toppings such as tomatoes, radishes, or a sprinkle of seeds, allowing for diversity in flavor and nutrition. This makes it a smart, convenient choice for anyone looking to manage their diabetes with a delicious, balanced breakfast that stabilizes blood sugar levels. At number 3, we have Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. This combination provides a rich blend of nutrients that include high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and low glycemic carbohydrates, making it a balanced and satisfying meal to start the day. Greek yogurt itself is a superior choice over regular yogurt due to its higher protein content, which helps in maintaining satiety and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Protein is crucial for diabetics as it slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, thus preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, Greek yogurt is typically lower in sugar and higher in calcium, supporting bone health. Adding a handful of nuts to the yogurt not only introduces a crunchy texture and rich flavor, but also supplies healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to improve heart health, which is particularly important for diabetics who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, add a natural sweetness and vibrant color to the meal without a significant sugar load. They are high in antioxidants and vitamins, and their low glycemic index makes them ideal for blood sugar management. The The fiber in berries further aids in regulating digestion and maintaining consistent blood sugar levels. Together, Greek yogurt, nuts, and berries create a nutritious trio that not only delights the palate but also supports diabetic health goals. This meal is quick to prepare, easy to customize with different types of nuts and berries, and perfectly portable, making it a top choice for a busy morning. Securing the number 2 spot on our list is a stellar breakfast choice for those managing diabetes. Oatmeal topped with flax seeds and walnuts. This meal combines the wholesome goodness of steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats with the nutritional powerhouse of flax seeds and walnuts, creating a breakfast that is not only filling but also immensely beneficial in regulating blood sugar levels. Oatmeal, particularly when made from steel-cut or old-fashioned oats, is rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which slows the digestion process and the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slow release prevents the rapid spikes in blood sugar that are often a concern for diabetics and helps maintain energy levels throughout the morning. Adding flax seeds to oatmeal enhances its nutritional profile significantly. Flax seeds are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that promotes cardiovascular health, a key consideration for diabetics, as they often face higher risks of heart-related issues. Flax seeds are also rich in lignans and fiber, which further aid in blood sugar control and provide additional digestive benefits. Walnuts are another excellent addition, bringing a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients complement the benefits of oatmeal and flax seeds, rounding out the meal to make it more balanced. Walnuts have been shown to improve metabolic parameters in people with type 2 diabetes, including enhanced blood glucose control and heart health. This combination of oatmeal, flax seeds, and walnuts not only ensures a hearty, nutritious start to your day, but also aligns perfectly with the dietary needs of those looking to manage their diabetes effectively. It's easy to prepare, endlessly customizable with various toppings and spices, and perfect for a busy morning or a leisurely breakfast, providing sustained energy and robust health benefits. Taking the top spot in our countdown is the vegetable omelet, an ideal choice for a diabetic breakfast. This dish brings together the rich, satisfying flavors of eggs and a medley of vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, and others, providing a nutrient-dense meal that supports optimal blood sugar management. Eggs are a cornerstone of a healthy diabetic diet due to their high-quality protein content. Protein is crucial for diabetics as it helps regulate the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing spikes. Furthermore, protein contributes to a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of snacking on high-carb foods later in the day. The addition of vegetables like spinach and mushrooms not only enhances the flavor and texture of the omelet, but also adds a significant nutritional boost. Spinach is loaded with iron and magnesium, essential minerals that play a role in controlling diabetes and overall health. Mushrooms provide a hearty umami flavor, along with a range of B vitamins which are key for energy metabolism. This type of omelet does not include added carbohydrates, which is particularly beneficial for those looking to maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. It's a versatile meal that can be adapted to include whatever vegetables you have on hand, making it a practical choice for any day of the week. And there you have it, our list of the 8 best breakfasts for diabetics. These breakfast options are not only nutritious but also versatile, allowing for various delicious combinations. Remember, while these breakfast options are tailored for diabetics, they are universally healthy choices that anyone can enjoy. Always consult with a healthcare provider to tailor these suggestions to your specific health needs. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. What is your favorite diabetes-friendly breakfast? Share a recipe in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.